Everyone.
I am Prakriti. Today we are discussing the filtration unit operation in the food processing. In this learning, we discuss different terms related to the filtration process, then basic principle, application, and the construction and working of the filtration equipment which are used in the food processing. Let's start one by one. What is meant by filtration process? It is unit operation in which whatever the liquid food that containing insoluble solid, suspended solid, unwanted foreign particles, unwanted contaminant particles. These particles are separated by using the filter media is called as a filtration process. That means filtration is a clarification of the whatever the liquid product into the clarified product. In filtration, the main terms, that is the first one is the slurry. Slurry, that means when whatever the liquid product which are the feed for the filtration which containing the suspended particles is called as a slurry. Then filter media, the medium which is used for the filtration process, which is the porous material which is used for the filtration in which only pass the soluble constituents and the liquid media and the remaining suspended particles are trapped, and resulting formation of the cake is called as a cake. And whatever the material which are the pass through the filter medium that's containing soluble constituents and the water, we get the filtrate. This term is called as a filtrate. The basic application of the filtration process in the food processing industries is for the clarification of the liquid product into the clarified final product. For example, clarification of wine, beer, then oils, syrups, for the clarification of the milk. These are the main examples of the filtration process in food industry. The main function of the filter media is that whatever the suspended and whatever the contaminant particles or unwanted particles which are present in the liquid food, these are all trapped in filter media and resulting formation of the cake. The porosity of that filter media is very important. Depending on the specific application, their porosity and the number of layer of the filter media is used. The material which is used for the construction of the filter media, for example, cotton, wool, porous carbon, plastic polymer. Number of the plastic based materials are available. These are the some of the examples which are used as a filter media for filtration unit operation in food processing industries. Next term, that is the filter aids. Filter aids, which are the porous substance which are added into the slurry or maybe deposited on the surface of the filter media. The main function of the filter aids is that to resist whatever the resistance of the filter cake during the filtration process is reduced in the presence of the filter aids. The main examples of the filter aids including diatomous material, then charcoal, cellulose fiber, paper pulp. These are the porous materials is called as a filter aid. If you can see in this picture with filter aids and the without filter aids, if we does not use the filter aids in the slurry or on the surface of the filter media, then whatever the fine particles or the suspended particles which are present in the feed slurry, these are deposited on the surface of the filter media and the formation of the very hard cake, and resulting which resist the rate of the filtration process. And if we add the diatomous earth or the filter aids material into the slurry, this porous material which promote the rate of the filtration process and reduce the formation of the very hard cake on the surface of the filter media. What are the main factors which are affected on the rate of filtration process? The main factors in which pressure drop across inlet and outlet of the filter media. In this filtration process, this is the gravity filter in which whatever the feed that containing pressure and outlet pressure, if the pressure difference between the two sides is very high, then rate of filtration is also very high. In case of the vacuum filter, in case of the pressure filter, the pressure difference is maintained very high. Then second one is the cross section area. Whatever the cross section area is available, that means the total area of the filter media is related to the total cross section area of the filtration process. Then viscosity of the filtered liquid, that means the slurry containing whatever the solvent, that their viscosity is very important. If viscosity is very low, then rate of filtration also increases. If viscosity is high, then resist to the filtration process. And last one is the resistance of the filter cake and the filter media. That means the porosity of that filter media and whatever the cake formation, this cake also resists for the filtration process. These are the main factors which are affected on the rate of filtration process. Then second one is the type of filtration process. In industrial level filtration process, they are categorized into two processing of the filtration process. First one is the constant pressure and the constant rate filter. The constant pressure filter, that means pressure must be required to maintain constant during the filtration process. You can see in this graphical representation filtration time with respect to the pressure and rate of filtration process. Whatever the pressure at the initial level, they continuously maintain the same pressure with respect to the time. In this process, initially rate of filtration is very high, then rate of filtration is decreases with respect to the time due to the resistance of the filter cake and the porosity of that filter cake or the filter media. Resistances are increases with respect to the time of filtration process. Pressure does not change, that called as a constant pressure filtration process. And second category in which the constant rate filtration. Constant rate filtration, that means whatever the outlet of that filtrate, that must be maintained the constant. For this constant filtration process, we require to maintain the pressure initially low, then required to pressure increases with respect to the time of the filtration process. Pressure required to increases because the resistance of that filter cake and the filter media is increases with respect to the time. Therefore, the pressure is, if we require to maintain higher with respect to the time in order to get the proper rate of filtration at a constant rate. The classification of the filtration equipment which are used in the food processing industries, they are classified on the basis of their operations, like first batch wise and the continuous operations. Then they are classified on the basis of the pressure drop across the filtration process. First one is the gravity filters by using gravitational pressure. Second one is the pressure filter. Third one is the vacuum filter, and fourth one is the centrifugal basket filters. These are the main categories of the filtration equipments. First one is the equipment, filtration equipment, plate and frame filter. It is a pressure filter which is operated batch wise. In the construction, plate and frame filter is made of number of plates and number of frames. You can see in this picture, this is the frame which is the completely hollow, in which the inside of that frame cake is built up, and the plates are the solid. The surface of the plate is corrugated and the grooved surface, in which the plate and frames are arranged in alternative. You can see in this picture, this is the plate, then filter media, then again frame, then again media, then plate, again media, frame, plate, media. That means whatever the filter media, that filter media is placed on the surface of plate on the both side. The alternate arrangement you can see in this picture. This is the plate, complete plate, which the surface is grooved surface, and after that this is the layer of the filter media, then this is the hollow frame, then after that this is the again filter media, then plate, again filter media, then frame, then filter media and plates. These are alternatively arranged and resulting formation of the plate and frame filter equipment channel. You can see this is the complete construction in which the after the each batch of the operations, the screw is removed and each plates and frames are separate. Whatever the inside of that frame, formation of the cake, this cake is removed, and then again complete properly fix the plates and frame alternatively, and then again screw tight, and then start the process by using the reciprocating pump or by using high pressure any pump. The slurry is fed into this filtration process. In this plate and frames, these are the made of the rectangular, then square. The main material which is used for the construction, depending on the specific application, these are the made from the cast iron, steel, hard plastic. The working of plate and frame filtration process after the complete joining of the plate and frame alternatively, feed the slurry through the pump into the channels. Slurry enters into the frame, and inside of that frame, whatever the feedings continuously slurry due to the inside pressure buildup, and resulting on the both side of the frame provided filter media in this slurry containing whatever the soluble constituents and the liquids which are passed through the filter medium, and remaining all whatever the suspended particles, they are deposited on the surface of the filter media, resulting the inside cake is built up. The thickness of the cake increases with respect to the time, and after that each batch of the operations inside of that frame completely filled with the cake. You can see in this picture complete formation of the cake. Whatever the filtered, they are passed into the filter media into the groove surface, then collect into the channels into the bottom section. After the complete inside formation of the cake, the feeding of the slurry is stopped, and then if we require to wash this cake, then fresh water is fed through the pump, and this whatever the internal cake which is washing is carried out by feeding with the fresh water. When fresh water is entered into these frames, this cake containing some of the soluble constituents which are the washout by the continuously feeding with the fresh water. Then after the complete washing of the cake, the feeding of the water is stopped, then process is stopped, and remove the all plates and frame, and whatever the internal cake formation on the frame, these are the remove. Then properly clean the filter media, and then again replace the all plate frame alternatively for the next batch operation. The main application of the plate and frame filtration process for the clarification of the wine, beer, fruit juices, enzymes, sugar, yeast manufacturing processes. They are used for the both type of the operation, for the clarification process also, and also for the whatever the cake formation. This cake is final product for the some of the industries. One is the pressure leaf filter. It is also pressure filter, in which pressure leaf filter main component is that lips. These are the lips which are the perforated screen, and on the surface of that perforated screen provided the filter media. You can see these are the filter lips. These are number of the lips are which are the fixed inside of that pressure leaf filters. The lips may be into the vertical position or maybe in horizontal position. The basic principle of in pressure leaf filter is that these lips are provided the more cross section area for the filtration process, and initially rate of filtration is very high in this process. This is also operated batch wise. You can see in this picture how its working is done. When slurry is fed through the positive displacement pump through the pipe to inside of that pressure leaf filter, inside properly pressure must be required to maintain. Whatever the slurry containing liquid, that is the water and water soluble constituents, which are passed through the filter media into the perforated screen through the central channel. Then this filtrate is passed through the central channel into the drain pipe, and they are discharged to the next section. The slurry containing whatever the suspended particles, they are deposited on the surface of the leaf, and resulting cake is built up on the surface of the leaf. After the completion of the batch filtration process, if we require to wash out the cake, then fresh water is fed from the positive displacement pump to inside the chamber. Then cake washing is carried out, and after that completion of the process, then remove the top of that pressure leaf filters, and complete leaves are removed from the pressure leaf filters, and finally they are whatever the cake build up, this cake is scrapped and again washed properly and used for the next batch for the filtration process. The main application of the pressure leaf filters is for the clarification of the fruit juices, then oil processing, chemical filtration process, wastewater treatments. Third one is the unit operation, that is the rotary drum vacuum filter. The basic principle is that by using vacuum, the rotary drum is continuous filtration process in which rotating drum which is immersed into the slurry. You can see this is the rotating drum, cylindrical drum. The cylindrical drum which is made of perforated screen, and on that perforated screen filter media is placed. The complete inside of that drum vacuum is maintained by providing connected with the piping system, and then this section is connected with the vacuum receiver and then vacuum pumps. 2 to 3 vacuum pumps are required to maintain internally maximum vacuum for a good filtration and the cake drying process. The speed of rotation of this cylindrical drum RPM is 1 to 2 RPM, very slowly rotated into the immersed into the slurry. This slurry is continuously fed to maintain this level of that slurry, and the slurry is internally agitated by providing the internally agitator. When drum is rotated, due to the internal vacuum, whatever slurry containing water and water soluble constituents, they are sucked to inside the drum, and then they are collected into the center, then flowing to the vacuum receiving chamber, and then they separate into the filtrate pump. Due to the suck of the water and water soluble constituent, remaining insoluble constituents or suspended particles, they are deposited on the surface of that filter medium and resulting formation of the cake. This is the thin layer of the cake. The thickness of the cake is maintained as per the speed of rotation. After the cake formation, during the cake is flowing from this section to this section, the cake partially dried. For the cake washing process, if we require to final cake as a product, then this cake washing is carried out by spraying the fine water spray on the cake. The water is spraying in this section by the spraying nozzles. You can see in this picture, these are the water spraying fine nozzles, the spray of water for the washing of the cake. Whatever the water is spraying, this water is sucked to inside the rotating drum. These all are connected with the piping system. Complete inside maintain the proper vacuum. After that, cake is again partially dewatered in this section, and finally they are discharged by providing the doctor knife, which knife is continuously scrap the cake and cake is withdrawn. You can see this is the vacuum receiver in which whatever the liquid filtrate, they are separated from this section and completely inside maintain the proper vacuum. The main application of the rotary drum vacuum filter in mostly used for in all sugar industry for the clarification of the cane juice after the chemical treatment, then separation of the yeast cell from the fermented liquid. In this process, this is the cake is the final product, which is the yeast cells cake, which is used for the other processing, food and feed processing. then enzyme processing, and for the clarification of the slurries which containing more suspended particles, these are the clarified by using the rotating drum vacuum filter system. Fourth one is the batch centrifugal filter. The basic principle is that by application of centrifugal force filtration is carried out. Batch centrifugal filter, also called as a basket centrifuge, in which the perforated basket is used for the filtration process. You can see this is the industrial small scale basket centrifuge, in which the perforated basket, on the inside of that perforated basket filter media is provided. This is one of the also simplest basket centrifuge, in which this is the perforated basket which connected with the shaft, then shaft connect with the pulleys, and then power transmission devices. This is the electrical motor, then power is transferred from this electrical motor to this shaft, and bowl is rotating with the high speed due to the centrifugal force is created. In the batch centrifugation process, this is also one of the simplest design of the basket centrifuge, in which shaft is located at the center, at the shaft which is connected with the perforated basket. The side of that basket is completely perforated. Then after that, inside provide the filter media. The slurry is fed to the center of that basket. When the basket is rotated with the due to the rotation, centrifugal force is created. Whatever the slurry inside fed, that slurry containing filtrate, that is the water and water soluble constituents, which are the pass out through the filter media, and the remaining suspended particles are deposited on the filter media, resulting in the formation of the cake. After a specific time of filtration process, the cake is built up on the inside of that basket. Then stop the feeding of the slurry through in this basket. Then after that, if we require the whatever the cake, this required to cake, if washing, then feed the inside with the water spraying nozzles through spray the water for the cake washing process. That time also basket is rotated, and after the washing of the cake, then provided here is a provided unloader knife. This unloader knife is used for the unloading the cake to inside of this basket. This unloading knife is scrap the cake, and resulting whatever the cake are discharged through this section. The speed of rotation varies with respect to specific initially feeding of the slurry, then spraying process, washing process, and finally unloading process. The speed is different for each stage. In the basket centrifugal filtration process, the main application for the separation of the crystals from the magma, or the whatever the crystallization liquid, that containing crystals are separated by using basket centrifuge. This centrifuge is mostly used for the separation of the sugar crystals from sugar industry, then clarification of fruit juices, oils, and then the separation of the suspended particles, then washing of the cakes, surface drying of the washed vegetables. These are all applications of the basket centrifuge in filtration process. Application of the filtration process in food industry. First one is for the clarification process. Whatever the liquid food, that liquid food containing suspended particle, unwanted particles, contaminant particles, these are the separated by using the filtration process. For example, vegetable oil, sugar, beer, wine, vinegar, whatever the liquid food that containing suspended particle or the impurities which are the removed by clarifications. Second one is the separation of the crystals from the crystallization process for the manufacturing of sugar, salt. In food industry, chemical, pharmaceutical industry, whatever the crystals are growing, these crystals are separated from the magma by using the basket centrifuge filtration process. Then last one is the dewatering process. During the washing process of the vegetables, fruits, and the grains, after the washing, whatever the remaining moisture contained on that surface, they are removed by using the centrifugal batch centrifugal basket centrifugal filtration process. These are the main application of the filtration process in food industry. These are the references which are used for the preparation of this PowerPoint presentation. In this video discussion, we discuss on the filtration, then basic terms in the filtration process, and the construction and working of the filtration equipments. Thank you very much.